In the heart of world's largest democracy, a new wave of leadership is emerging. In the 2024 general elections, 13 remarkable women have secured seats in the Lok Sabha, making a significant step towards greater women's participation in Indian politics. Kumari Selja triumphed in Haryana's Sirsa constituency by defeating BJP candidate Ashok Tawar by a staggering margin of 2 lakh votes.
हमने नया भविष्य बनाना है। आने वाला समय हमारी नई पीढ़ी का होना चाहिए। आने वाला समय हमारे देश में लोगों को जोड़ने का, अमन चैन शांति का, भाईचारे का होना चाहिए।
A champion of farmers' rights, Selja's campaign focused on pressing issues like price rise, unemployment and protection of constitutional values. Sanjana Jadhav, one of the youngest candidates at just 26, won the Bharatpur constituency in Rajasthan, marred by communal violence.
संजना की ये जीत इसलिए भी अहम है क्योंकि उन्होंने राजस्थान के सीएम भजनलाल शर्मा के गृह जिले भरतपुर में बीजेपी को मात दी।
A Dalit woman and an LLB graduate, she defeated BJP's Ram Swarup Kohli by 51,000 votes, advocating for unity and justice. Dr. Prabha Mallikarjun won Karnataka's Devnagari seat, unseating BJP's Gayatri Siddeshwara by 26,000 votes. She directed her campaign towards IT development and transforming Devnagari into a technological powerhouse. Sudha R., a lawyer dedicated to constitutionalism, secularism, won Mayiladuthurai seat for Congress by defeating AIADMK candidate P. Babu by a margin of 2 lakh votes. Geniben Nagaji Thakur, a two-term MLA, made history in Banaskantha, Gujarat by crowdfunding her entire campaign. She emerged victorious by securing Congress's first victory in the state after nearly a decade. Priyanka Jarkiholi, youngest tribal woman to win from an unreserved constituency, securing a decisive victory in Chikkodi, Karnataka. She champions for higher participation of women in public life. Shobha Bachchan's victory in Dhule, Maharashtra by a narrow margin of 3,831 votes marks a significant shift as she unseats a two-time incumbent BJP MP. Kadiyam Kavya, postgraduate, won the Warangal constituency reserved for SC community by a margin of 2 lakh votes. She brings fresh perspective and a commitment to social justice. Jyotimani Sennamalai, a writer, social worker, was re-elected from Karur constituency in Tamil Nadu by a margin of 1 lakh votes. Her dedication to social causes resonates deeply with her constituents. Praniti Shinde, a three-time MLA, secured win in Maharashtra's Solapur constituency by 74,000 votes. She secured the seat for Congress after
आपले
two
एकमेव
successive
देश
elections.
जिकडे एकीकडे मंदिरात आरती होत असते आणि दुसरीकडे मशिदीत अजान होत असतो. आज नवरात्र पण चालू आणि नवरात्रचे उपास पण चालू आहेत उत्तर भारतात आणि इथे रोजे पण चालू आहेत. कधी काय वाटतं आपल्याला आपण तेवढा शिरकुंभा खातो आणि तेवढीच आपली खीर खातो नैवेद्याची खीर आणि पुरी. एकमेव देश आहे या जगात जिथे असं होतं.
Varsha Gaikwad won Mumbai North Central seat by defeating BJP's Ujjwal Nikam by a margin of 16,000 votes. Her win signifies a call for a progressive leadership in urban areas. Dhanokar Pratibha Suresh, who transformed from a housewife to a MLA and now a MP, won Chandrapur seat by 2 lakh votes, continuing her late husband's legacy. Jyotsna Mahant, a veteran social activist, secured Korba Chhattisgarh seat by a margin of 43,000 votes. Her 4-decade-long commitment to social development has transformed her community. Women in politics are not just participants, they are pioneers. Their journey is our journey towards a more equitable and just society.